In this video, we will see how to generate a report card by using Microsoft Excel. We can write the name of the school and we can have a logo of the school. In a report card, we should fill all the personal details of a particular student. For that, we should write his or her name, father's name, mother's name, class and section, and also admission number. And we have to write his or her date of birth also. Normally, till 8th class, we have 9 subjects, 5 main and 4 extra subjects. In schools, they are having 4 exams, 2 periodic tests, 1 half-yearly exam and 1 annual exam. In first portion, we are having first periodic test, 2 subject enrichment activity and marks of half-yearly exam. Total 100 in first term examination. In second term examination, periodic assessment 2 subject enrichment activity and marks of annual exam. If you will add them, then you will get 100. If you will add both half yearly and annual exam, then you will get 200 marks. In this Excel file, you only have to write the marks obtained in the test, that is periodic assessment 1, activity and half yearly exam. It will add all the marks and you will get marks obtained out of 100. Suppose we want to give 5 in each activity, then simply you have to drag and drop. We have to write the marks obtained in each subject of that particular student. As you can see, if we will write the marks, then automatically the calculation is done, as we have written a formula for obtaining the marks out of 100. We can write the grade. The grading system is different for different schools. It may be A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 or A plus A, B plus B and so on. Here I am using above 90 to 100 A1 and above 80 to 90 A2. Above 70 to 80 B1, above 60 to 70 B2 and so on. We can write the overall grade of that particular student, and also we can write the attendance of that particular student. As in normal progress reports, we are writing remark for a particular student. In digital form also, you can write remark for that particular student. Similarly, we can do for second term exam also. I am simply copying and pasting the same data in second term exam, but you can make changes in it as we have done in first term exam. We can do in second term exam also. Periodic test 2 subject enrichment activity, 1 annual exam and total 100 marks you can get by adding them. You can also write formula to get marks for 200. Here we can write is equal to G9 plus M9 because the 100 number mark of first term is in G column and 9th row, and 100 mark of second term exam is in M column and 9th row. To get the sum of 200 for all subjects, we simply have to drag the cell and draw. We can also write the grade for 200 marks. Here I am simply copying and pasting the grade. As we are writing in the progress report the total attendance and the remark for the student, we can write whether he is promoted to the next class or any remark we want. In the remarks section, now we can save the file with the name of the student so that we can recognize it is the report card of that particular student. Similarly, we can make progress report of all other students. By using this template, we can make progress report for many students also. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.